Farmers, I have a very good idea for you. Many times you make fences and they are eaten by termites, and some of them are destroyed by rain. But I have an idea for you which is very good, and it is going to help you on your farm in making fences and even structures for animals. What you do, you get a pipe, a PVC pipe like this one. It can be like 2.5, even above this one. It will depend on what you have, on the material you have. What you do, you cut it into pieces like these ones. Then after, use some fire to burn them because they are hard. Use fire with the pepper. Use fire with the pepper because they are hard. It is very hard for you to do what? To follow them without being softened. But after softening them, they are going to be easy for you to bend in order to do our fence. Right now they are soft. They are soft. Try to fold them. We are folding them to stop water from entering and even the termites to enter because these pipes are open. Right now it is hot. It is hot. You try to fold it, then you put it down. After folding it, you wait for it to cool down to carry on. When it is still hot, it will be hard for you to carry on. Right now, it has set. If you have some concrete, you can pour little concrete here inside the pipe. Then after, if you don't have, you can use even polythene and you try to force it inside. Then after, we are going to put our pole there. But you put a pole depending on the size of the pipe. The pole has to be fixed in the pipe. You don't force it, but you put it there and see that it is fixed. Then after, try to cover with cement or grout, anything which is cementitious is useful in this work. From there, ensure that your pole is sharp on top. Don't make it flat on 90 degrees. Put it on 45 degrees. From there, you are going to erect your pole, and it is going to take many years if it is a fence. But ensure that the pole you are putting, you try to oil it to avoid other insects which may eat it and spoil it. Then, after erecting it properly, in a hole of one feet around there, it will depend. Then from there, put your shallow link or barbed wire. You are going to see the way you are going to save, instead of changing the fences every time due to the termites and other animals, even weather. But right now, you are going to be safe. Thank you for listening. God bless you.
agenda awoma bulungi awo